In precision engineering, where quality meets excellence, there's one material that stands out for its versatility and reliability: 6061 aluminum. Introducing the 6061 aluminum round bar stock, a remarkable alloy that has redefined the possibilities in manufacturing and design. From soaring through the skies to conquering the waves, the 6061 aluminum bar has become a key component across a wide range of operations. So, what makes the 6061 aluminum bar so sought after? Its unique combination of strength, corrosion resistance, and workability makes it a top choice for engineers and designers alike. Machining and fabricating the 6061 aluminum bar is a breeze, thanks to its excellent workability. It can be easily shaped, cut, drilled, and milled to precise specification. Its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio makes it a preferred choice for applications where both durability and lightweight properties are crucial. The marine industry relies on the 6061 aluminum bar for its exceptional corrosion resistance, ensuring longevity and reliability in challenging maritime environments. And in construction, the 6061 aluminum bar plays a vital role, providing the necessary strength while withstanding exposure to the elements. At O'Hare Precision Metals, we understand the significance of using the highest quality materials for your projects. That's why we offer top-grade 6061 aluminum round bar stock. With our commitment to precision and excellence, we ensure that each 6061 aluminum bar meets stringent quality standards and precise specifications. Our state-of-the-art facilities, equipped with cutting-edge machinery and a team of skilled professionals, allow us to provide you with exceptional products. Contact us today to learn more about our superior 6061 aluminum bar stock and how we can help you elevate your projects to new heights of precision and excellence.